Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Yes, a Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, let us take this moment in time for wish the king of the dancehall genre, Adidja Vybz Kartel, Palmer, viewers and subscribers, a happy, heart strong, and it's a good look to see the entire dancehall community are forward out now them numbers, viewers and subscribers. And I wish the G a happy birthday, viewers and subscribers. No, not because I am in celebration mode, viewers and subscribers. 44th birthday for the G, but we still remember say the appeal judge, viewers and subscribers, are judges. Them disappoint me. Them not release the teacher before him strong, viewers and subscribers. I know that's something they go. All them gonna do is extend them deepest, sincere apologies that them never get to give with the not guilty verdict in time for the teacher's release before him strong. But we will take that not guilty no matter what. You know the something of viewers and subscribers. And Chip Chop, as a matter of fact, while we're there, so we could take that choppy and go over upon memory lane, viewers and subscribers. And we're gonna take a look at teacher's previous Earth Strong, viewers and subscribers, when he did up on the road. Make a look and then we're gonna continue the reason.
Happy birthday, so this might be a soul cake. Something that matter.
It looks like security wine, piece of the cake, so it's the arrow wine,
A piece of the cake soap broke off. I want real cake soap. Let me see it. Oh. It's not a cake, it's a cake soap. And I kill ya. Respect and love, you know. Can Bluetooth a kiss to you?
Yes, viewers and subscribers, definitely a good look. And that want to say, that is what I was looking forward to, viewers and subscribers. But you know, there's something because we don't control the earth, nor does the teacher, viewers and subscribers. But definitely an artist will put in the work. And when we see how Jamaica dancehall and as a matter of fact, the entire musical community celebrate this artist, we can tell us say yes, this is an artist who definitely put in the work in a dancehall music. You know, put out one hit song and people respect you so much. You know, put out one album and people respect you so much. No, you have to put in the work continuously, viewers and subscribers. This is Vybz Kartel's 8th consecutive birthday behind the railing. Them for leg of the teacher, viewers and subscribers. You know, see why I'm serious about the matter so much. 8 viewers and subscribers. Imagine Iko. I'm not sure the Iko age right now, but it's almost like the teacher has been away for almost half of the youth life, viewers and subscribers. Them need for release the teacher, viewers and subscribers. Them should do it before him strong, but them not do it. Them not do it. So we could go and watch them, viewers and subscribers. As I would say, the entire dancehall community is definitely in celebration mode, viewers and subscribers. Recently, we see even the Star conduct a poll again. Yes, a second day and the teacher is dominating headlines, viewers and subscribers. They put out a poll. They must say, should the teacher relinquish his crown, meaning say pass it on? Who should get it? Some people even suggested Popcorn. You know, Popcorn comment and said, viewers and subscribers. Him say no. You know the song just like we Addy, just like we teach us in Addy King. Him say give Burger King a crown. And then put a portion the laughing emoji, viewers and subscribers. I said no, him no want a man crown. Heavy is the crown, you know, viewers and subscribers. And Papi say him no want it. No, Papi say him no want it, viewers and subscribers. Only Vybz Kartel, I would say, manage for can maintain this level of individuality, creativity, and still keep upbeat in the limelight. Remember that everything we do, people are agree with, viewers and subscribers. And so is the song of Vybz Kartel. Such has been the story of the teacher, viewers and subscribers. There are people, would you believe, despite the fact that the appeal courts are proving that there was no evidence against the teacher, you have people where I say the teacher deserves the treatment and the situation they go through. You have them type of small-minded people out there. As strange as it might sound, viewers and subscribers, they exist. Them out there, and we have to continue to remind them, say, one, watch out, them never have nothing upon the teacher, and look there, look upon who them have behind the railing, look upon the song just drop, and look where we are going with the dancehall industry right now. It's like all right now at the 7th day in the month, viewers and subscribers. It's almost like a 7th day now dancehall are wait upon a hit. It is almost like a 7th day now in the new year since dancehall are wait upon a hit. Despite who did put out song in the week, nobody now pay attention to that. Even if it did get views and people listen to it, because we support all dancehall artists, don't get the reason twisted. But everybody are listening out for the teacher release. Right now, anybody can put out an album. Popcorn put out a mixtape recently. Go on with that thing. The only album people are made right now are Letter to Tanisha. That have a drop and they will start making some other production right now. Letter to Tanisha, the whole dancehall industry are free right now at this moment in time, viewers and subscribers. Yes! And this is why we definitely have to be an advocate for the release of the teacher, viewers and subscribers. Some people wonder why we are so free so much. Because we know it's the must, viewers and subscribers. We know it is a must. And the time are drawing near. Yes, the time are drawing near, viewers and subscribers. And to how some people in the industry are reacting, we know them know. The time are drawing near, viewers and subscribers. At this moment in time, everybody who can reach out and reach out. Them are reach out to Shorty, them are reach out to TJ, viewers and subscribers. Everybody has them want work, them want some production with the teacher, them want some teacher versus Wagwan. Be people are reach out at this moment in time, viewers and subscribers. It's clear, it's evident. Freedom is near. Freedom is close at hand, viewers and subscribers. Another Earth Strong. Big up the teacher. I'm glad to see them live to see another Earth Strong, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? 44th birthday and milestone settings. You know what I mean? In a dancehall industry at that. Remember I said in a dancehall industry, most people career they even last a 5-year span. Yeah, you have prominent dancehall artists who will have a 5-year run and then automatically was pushed into the veteran category. Just a 5-year run. The teacher do this for years now, viewers and subscribers. Years. Now, did years on the road and even behind the bars, him continue to do it. Yo, I'm proud to be a Gaza fan, viewers and subscribers. Just like I am proud to be a Jamaican, I am proud to be a fan of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Yes, definitely a good moment. Definitely a good moment for see the artist. My artist live for see another Earth Strong, viewers and subscribers. And I mean, as I say, the video drop, the track drop right away. I never ever ask somebody. I didn't know say once the song drop, I know the reaction. Right away, I know the reaction, viewers and subscribers. I know say would there be another trending music video, another trending track. Them get the track with the video. So you know that go. You know how that go, viewers and subscribers. Right away, everybody I say, yo, Adi, the boss. We don't have a question that. That is unquestionable, viewers and subscribers. Who dare question that at this moment in time? Then you don't know. Then you don't know, so the teacher, the king. Well, this is another reminder for you and yours. If you never know, viewers and subscribers, world government available right now, right here on the platform. Teachers give to dancehall music. Shabdan's give to teacher, and teachers give to dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. Yes. Because Shabdan said, I'm going to drop the track from in December. The song Mix and Master from them time there. And they must say, no, you know what? We're going to drop it on the teacher. Strong. Shabdan said, him say, I'm going to drop it on the teacher. Strong, viewers and subscribers. And it was definitely a good look. You know what I mean? Yeah, definitely a good stratagem implemented by Shabdan. Big up yourself, my G. You know what I mean? Yeah, right now, as a producer, you're already slated to be one of the top producers for 2020. Because remember, your track was the track of the year for 2019. So what that mean for 2020? We got the whole 6 movement viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? We got the whole 6 president producers. You know what I mean? Shabdan, Atto them. You know what I mean? Dim them that are Hempton Records them. You know what I mean? Definitely a good look. So we got the whole movement, you know what I mean? And then people them say Gaza 6, so you know that's something they go. You know what I mean? Shabdan representing again viewers and subscribers. When Bad Mind drop, remember the reaction, I know him drop something even bigger than that. World government from the world boss. Tottenham man. Right now everybody and them friend are react. The whole of England, me say the whole of England tune in from early. I remember so when 12 o'clock out here, I done morning in England viewers and subscribers about 8 o'clock in the morning. Me and say everybody we are about on the work tune in. everybody in England town tune in, viewers and subscribers. Big up the whole London, you know what I mean? Big up the whole Caribbean diaspora, the whole North America, Canada. Big up the whole Europe, every country in Europe. Oh, my yo, you feel like we forget Africa. Africa and Gaza place, man. Big up every country in the motherland. So we call it the motherland, man. You know the something because the whole African continent, because the whole Latin America the same way. Russian over there do extremely well, and they must say Gaza every turn with Russian make viewers and subscribers. And I mean, definitely a good look. The teacher celebrates another strong viewers and subscribers. And I mean, take a moment in time for wish the J a happy strong viewers and subscribers. Vice to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers, and we have just had another exciting reason. You know the something go. And if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you here on the platform. The like icon there as well, drop a like on the blog. The share icon there as well, you can tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them, for check out the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. You know the stuff because the comment section is always open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines. However, other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section, viewers and subscribers. You know my sentiments first and foremost. Our up move settings, fam, and we don't need none of that. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.